Hello everyone. Today in this session I will discuss sex determination mechanism. First of all, what is the sex determination? In any organisms, the finalization of the sex at the time of zygote formation is known as sex determination. As we all know that the two types of chromosomes which are found in the individuals which relates with the sex determinations are sex chromosomes. There are two types of chromosomes, autosomes and the single pair of chromosomes, sex chromosomes. So, in the sex determination mechanism, the male heterogamety as well as the female heterogamety are seen. Male heterogamety, when males produces different types of gametes in terms of sex chromosomes, such as XX, XY type, XX or X0 type. But in female heterogamety, some female are homogametic, they show similar type of chromosomes in the sex chromosomes, that is XX, ZZ, etc. But in certain animals, the female heterogamety are also seen. That is, the female produces different types of gametes in terms of sex chromosomes. For example, ZW type or ZO type. Now let us discuss the XX and XY type, that is the sex determination in the human being. In human being as well as in Drosophila melanogaster, the fruit fly, they show males have XY type of sex chromosomes, whereas the female shows XX type of chromosome. The female are homogametic. In human being, out of 23 pairs of chromosomes, 22 are autosomes, which are similar in males and females. But the females have a pair of X chromosomes, whereas the males have 50% X chromosomes and 50% Y chromosomes. During spermatogenesis in males, 50% X sperms are formed and 50% Y sperms are formed. But during oogenesis in females, only one type of gamete, X chromosome, is present in the ovum. When ovum fertilized with the X chromosome, it develops a female child, whereas when the ovum fertilized by the sperm carrying Y chromosome, it develops the male child. So, during the genetic constitution of the sperm, the male determines the sex of the child. So, 50% probability of either male or female child is present, and the society which used to blame the female, it should not be blamed for the male or female child, because male is determining the sex of the child. In Drosophila also, the male, they carries autosomes plus XY, whereas the female carry autosomes plus XX chromosome. But in grasshopper, male have only one X chromosome besides autosomes, and female have a pair of X chromosomes. But in birds, fishes, fowl, the type of chromosomes in the gametes are ZZ and ZW. Females have heterogametic ZW, whereas males are homogametic ZZ. In cockroaches, the mechanism is reversed, that is Z0 and ZZ type. Females have only one Z chromosomes besides autosomes, whereas males have a pair of X chromosomes. In some cases, haplodiploidy sex determination system is also studied, as in honeybee. In honeybee, female has 32 chromosomes, and during the meiosis, they form 16 chromosomes. And if the 116 chromosome develop parthenogenetically, then the male drones are formed. Whereas male, they form 16 chromosomes, and mitotically, they form 16 chromosome only. And after fertilization, the 16 chromosome of female and male chromosome, 16 chromosome, it forms 32 chromosomes. So, after fertilization, the female worker or queen, they form 32 chromosomes. So, the honeybee, they show haplodiploidy type of sex determination system, and the offspring formed by the union of sperm and egg, it develops the female or queen, and unfertilized egg developed into the male drone, which are the sterile one. So we can say that the male produces sperms by mitosis. So neither father nor sons, but have grandfathers, are the grandsons. So thank you for this session.